Transmission slipping is a common issue that vehicle owners may face, and understanding its causes is essential for timely resolution. This problem occurs when the engine revs higher than normal, without a corresponding increase in speed, typically due to a failure in the transmission system. One major cause is low transmission fluid levels, which can lead to insufficient lubrication. Another culprit is worn clutch plates or bands, which can slip and fail to engage the gears properly. Additionally, a malfunctioning transmission control module can send incorrect signals, causing erratic shifting behavior. Overheating can also contribute, as excessive heat can degrade fluid quality and damage internal components. To address slipping, first check your transmission fluid level and condition. If it appears dark or burnt, a fluid change may be necessary. If low fluid levels are not the issue, inspect the clutch and bands for wear. Regular maintenance, such as fluid changes and monitoring for leaks, can prevent problems. If issues persist, consulting a professional mechanic is advisable to diagnose and address deeper transmission issues without delay.